Student, today I'm going to show you how to do the access in access SQL, that means structured query language. In your book, page number 128, the structured query language has been given. SQL has been given. SQL is their DDL and DML. DDL means data definition language. DML is data manipulation language. So under the data definition language, the commands are create, alter, drop, turnip, rename. Okay, under the data manipulation language, the commands are select, insert, update, and delete. Now, first when you have to create a database, first you have to do the SQL. First you have to create a database. Since our database is here already created, see here the school database I am created. In Access I am doing. In SQL, if you have to do, then you have to do create the database. So here in Access, database is not required because already I am inside one database. You also have to go inside one database, then you can do in SQL Access. In Access, you can do the SQL command and implement the SQL command. Okay, so what are the command? I am showing you all the commands which you will access in the SQL, MySQL. That the command, first you have to create a database. Like create database syntax is what? Create the database name. Okay, suppose create school. So this is the school is a database name. Now you have to go inside the database. How to go inside the database? Use school. All the lines should be terminated with semicolon. Yes, is school. Then what? To create the table. The syntax is create table. Suppose I have taken the table name here. Result. Every syntax is given in your book also. Result. Then student ID integer not null. It is a primary key. As you have seen in Access, I have created a primary key. There is a key type of structure is there. That the first name varchar 15, result varchar 8. Okay, table name is what? Table name is result. Now inserting the values. How to insert the value? There are two way of inserting the value. One way, you can write that insert into result. That means where you are inserting, then all the column names, then values, then the value you will write. This is the one way, like values, then 110, that is the student ID, then first name Ritesh, second name Mahajan, then pass. Okay, so another way is insert into result values 100 to Amit Gupta. This is also another way. Now query, there are the different pattern of queries are there. Query means the questions. Okay, to view all the data of the table. So what you will do, select asterisk from the result. Asterisk means to show all the values. To show the ID, suppose you want to show only the student ID and result. So what you like, select student ID comma result from where? From the result table. Okay, next what, to show those the student who has passed, select asterisk. Asterisk means all from result. Now where condition or where clause I am using, where result equals to pass. Okay, next what, to display the student ID and their first name, those who has passed. So how to do? Select student ID comma first name from result, where result means the table name. Okay, my table name is here result, where results is the table name and result equals to pass. Result means one column name where I have given pass fail. Okay, to display the records in an ordered list, that means this is an ordered by clause. How you will do? Select asterisk from result, ordered by what? Ordered by name. If you don't write anything, then it will be in ascending order. Okay, so if you want to do in a descending order, then you have to write in like select asterisk from result. Here I have given one clause where result equals to pass, ordered by what name in DESC. DESC means descending order it will do. If you don't write, then it will come in ascending order. Update the record. How to update the record? Update result. Set last name equals to Sharma. How we will identify where the student ID is 103? That means student ID 103, that particular record last name will be changed to Sharma, isn't it? Now delete a record. That means if you want to delete a record, so what you write? Delete from where? From the table results, where student ID equals to 105. Why student ID? Because it is an unique ID I have taken. It is made as a primary key. So 105. And if you want to delete the total tables, what you have to write? Drop table result. So this is how you will going to write. You may all the commands are there in your book. You can write it from the book. Table name will be vary as per your questions. The column name will be vary as per your questions. But all the other syntaxes will be same. Syntax and everything is given